Hey guys, Adam here from DressTrader.com. Let's do today's morning recap and kind of just an update on what's going on. It's about 11:45 here Central Standard Time. Before we get started on any of these markets, I'm going to do a quick update here, guys. If you want to go to Infinity Futures, I will be hosting or presenting a webinar tomorrow. If you go to Infinity Futures, go to webinars, you will see right here. Special guest, you'll see live trading iced Russell 2000 futures with Adam Beeler. Basically, tomorrow at 11 o'clock Central, I'm just going to be putting on a live webinar here. What's going to happen here is I'm going to have a topic and some stuff I'm going to go over, but I'm also going to be trading live here. So at 11 o'clock Central, it's actually 11 a.m. Sorry about that. It does say p.m. there, but 11 a.m. Central, guys. I will be putting on a presentation there. I'm going to have a topic at hand that I will cover in case the markets are slow. So we will have some education stuff. But if the market's willing, I will go ahead and place some orders here. But I will be trading the futures. I will be trading the Russell live there in real time. And if the markets are slow, I will have a topic and some education, some training that you guys can take home. And it's stuff you can actually implement basically same day. So webinar will be tomorrow at 11 a.m. Just go right here and go click on register. It'll bring this up. Here we go. It actually says 11 a.m. here. But anyways, tomorrow, July 8th at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. All I need is your name, phone number, email, register, and you're good to go. They'll send you a link, and it'll all be good to go. So we'll go for typically, I run a little bit longer normally, but I'm going to have to talk to Infinity and see how long they'd like me to go, but I'm happy to keep on going. As long as the questions are coming in, as long as the trading is good, I'm sure they won't have an issue with us, taking care of as much as we possibly can there. So but tomorrow at 11 a.m., if you'd like to stop by and see us there, we will be trading the Russell live. So as far as what's going on today, we'll keep it a little bit short. Russell here got down below that 8 period, below that previous swing high here. So we are looking short on down to this Ryzen 21 period moving average. Let's quickly go through these instruments. Here's the S&P. Another pullback, but we are above the 8 period. So I have no interest in looking short here on the S&Ps until we can get below that 8 period moving average. So from this standpoint, if we're looking short, I'm looking at the Russell, looking long. The S&P's got a great opportunity here. Let's go over to the crude. Crude is now testing some rising support. We have two different rising supports here. We have the first, which is just simple trend line, and then we got the overall trend line here. Got a little bit further to go. So if we start to get a bounce here on the crude, I will start looking for a long trade from an intraday standpoint. As long as like the 5 and 15-minute anchor charts start to create higher highs and higher lows, we can start looking for long opportunities. If not, we do have support down here a little bit further, and we will look for the same thing off of there if we do not get it here. And then the gold we've been paying a little bit of attention to. Got to get out of this range, guys. We've been in such a tight range here on the gold market. We need for it to get out of this sideways slop and chop and start to get a move here. But until that happens, I'm not going to get too aggressive here on gold. We need to get out of this range here. We've been in 3 solid weeks here. We'd like to see a break to the upside because it's got a ton of room to trade here to the upside. If not, just be real cautious because we did get a little bit slop and chop through this area here. So if the gold does not get a pop here to the upside, probably gonna be a little bit more risky here trading it to the downside because it's just got a lot of support through here. So Russell, come tomorrow, we will have that Russell webinar. So I will show the Russell one more time here. All right, so moving forward here, the Russell, as long as the Russell stays below this 8 period moving average that you see, we'll look to trade it down towards this Ryzen 21, and then once we get down there, possibly look for bouncing opportunities and then get back up above that 8 period moving average. But if you see that 21 does come in here, it has this previous swing that comes through here, so it will have some support to potentially get it to hold and maybe get an opportunity back to the upside. But we will be trading the Russell live come tomorrow all morning in the trading room, and then obviously during the webinar tomorrow will be a live Russell webinar with ICE futures, so ICE and Infinity. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and reach out to me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, I will see you in the live trading room for members in the morning, and the live ICE Russell 2000 futures with the Infinity webinar tomorrow at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. You guys have a good day.